Hello HipKit friends, it's Antonia here today, and today I'm creating a mixed media layout using the October main kit, embellishment kit, color kit, the fall leaves metal die set and the stitchable leaves metal die set. So in this process video I'm creating some mixed media embellishment pieces, and I'm doing this by using up some leftover ink from a previous project. And for this I used the Starburst sprays from the October color kit, and in here I'm using up some of the magenta magnolia gold ink, and I'm just soaking it up with a piece of very thick cardstock which I sprayed some water on just to encourage the ink to spread better and creating more of a watercolor effect. And then I went on to use the other colors, and this time I used the Shabby Turbine Teal and the California Poppy Gold color together, and this created a slightly different effect. So this is how the cardstock pieces came out once they dried, and I just really like the watercolor effect they created. And then I'm also adding another piece of cardstock which I created off camera. So this time I added some ink splatters to the cardstock while it was still wet, and this created a speckled effect. As you can see in here, I used this cardstock to create some mixed media leaves. And for this I used the stitchable leaves die cut set from the October releases, and this allowed me to add some stitching to it using gold embroidery floss. So here are the die cut leaves I'm going to be working with. We've got the speckled green ones with the stitching. The pink ones were cut out from the watercolor cardstock I created earlier, and the gold one are just some random leftover ones, and these were created using mostly the California Poppy Gold Starburst ink. So once the mixed media leaves were ready, I made a start with my layout, and I chose the pattern paper with the wreath design on from the October kit. And initially I wanted to add my photo to the top left corner, but I ended up bringing it down to the bottom as it worked better with the title in the bottom left corner. So the rest of the process video is quite self-explanatory. Basically I created an embellishment cluster around the photo using mostly the mixed media leaves, and I counterbalanced it by adding an embellishment cluster to the top right corner as well. And then I just scattered some of the beautiful acetate hearts from the embellishment kit around the page. So here are some of the close-ups of my completed layout. I hope you find my process video inspiring. Be sure to keep checking back to our YouTube channel as we upload process videos daily. And you can also check out our friendly Facebook group for further inspiration. And if you decide to subscribe to our monthly kits, you will receive a saving on the main kit, further discounts for add-on kits, and you will get free access to all of our cut files. Thanks for watching, bye now!